Hello students, let us study about sexual reproduction, class 10, chapter 8, how do organisms reproduce. Okay, sexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction. Sexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction. It depends on the involvement of two individuals before new generation can be created. It is a definition of sexual reproduction, means it is a one type of reproduction. It depends on involvement of two individuals before the new generation it comes. Okay, it is a definition, and underline point you have to mark it. And why the sexual mode of reproduction is required? Because it has to be, the generation is to be comes like creation of two new cells, involvement of copying of the DNA as well as cellular apparatus. There is a copying of the DNA as well as cellular apparatus, means cell is consist of nucleus. Nucleus is consist of chromosomes. Chromosome and DNA is present inside the chromosome. Okay, the DNA copying mechanism, as we have noted, it cannot be absolutely accurate. The DNA copying means the parents is having different DNAs. It has to be not accurate. It is absolutely accurate. Okay. Mm. The DNA copying mechanism, as we have noted, cannot be absolutely accurate. And the result error is variation. Variation means difference in the population of the organism. Because two parents are different, their DNA is different. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. It is present inside the nucleus. Okay, and it is present inside the chromosome. Already you know that there are 46 chromosomes in the uh, human being. Okay, every individual organism cannot protect the by variation means there is a differentiation, but in the population variation are useful ensuring the survival of the species. The variation occur in the for surviving the species. Surviving the species means next generation, it more to more variation to be generated. DNA copying mechanism are not absolutely accurate, means the copying of the DNA from father parents to the offspring is not accurate. Parents, the information coming from the parents to the here, every individual organism cannot be protected by variation. We cannot protect the variation, means differentiation of the characteristic up to the children's from their parents. Already you know, in the cellular apparatus, cell is consist of cytoplasm, nucleus, and Golgi apparatus and all. Okay, variations are useful for ensuring the survival of the species. There is a difference character comes